Hello everyone, myself Roshan Vaidya and my seminar topic is photochemistry. First of all, introduction. Photochemistry is the study of the interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter resulting into a physical change or into chemical reaction. Primary process. One molecule is excited into a electronically excited state by absorption of photon. It can undergo a number of different primary processes. Photochemistry is an interesting and fundamental discipline in science and various other fields, concentrating on light and its chemical effects. Though it is predominantly relates to photosynthesis in the natural world, along with vision and the production of vitamin D, there are far more photochemical reaction to consider. This is an father of modern molecular photochemistry. His first photochemistry experiment was published in 1886 and was titled on the conversion of quinone into quinol by light. Laws of photochemistry. First of all, Gratos-Draper law. When light fall on substance, only the fraction of light which is absorbed by the substance can bring about chemical change. Second, Starr-Einstein law. One quantum, one quantum of light is absorbed per molecule of absorbing and reacting substance. Photophysical process. Photophysical process involves in fluorescence, phosphorescence, chemiluminescence. First of all, fluorescence. The process in which atom or molecule are excited by absorption of electromagnetic radiation. When fluorescent substances are exposed to UV or visible radiation, they emit new radiation of longer wavelength or smaller frequency. Such process is known as fluorescence. Example: fluoride, chlorophyll, riboflavin, etc. Second of phosphorescence. When light radiation is incident on the certain substances, they are emit light continuously even after the removal of incident light. Such type of delayed fluorescence is known as phosphorescence. Example like zinc sulfide many stickers that glows in dark, etc. Chemiluminescence. The emission of light as a result of chemical reaction at ordinary temperature is called as chemiluminescence. Two chemicals react to form an excited intermediate which breaks down by releasing some of its energy as photon of light. This process is called as chemiluminescence. Example like light of firelight, glow of rotting fish. Uses of photochemistry. Chemistry of vision, photosynthesis in plants, formation of vitamin D, fluorescence, dyes in traffic, photodynamic therapy. Thank you.